Hello, so this video will show you how to open a file. This is for CSV or TXT files. Um, you'll be able to open a file and read the data that's in the file. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing is, if you want to read a file, you've got to define the name of the file. So here I've got a variable file name, and it gets the value, string value that indicates the file path and the file. I want to point out that when you create a file path, that you use all the slashes as you normally do in Windows, but you double up on all the backslashes, as you can see there. So if you're working on a Mac, this is how you would indicate your file paths on a Mac. So once I've created a variable with a file path, I just simply create a variable and I equate it then to the actual file, where I say open. I tell the computer open the file, that is this one, and I've got a second parameter in the brackets. That second parameter is an R, and the R indicates read only. So if you use the second parameter in your open statement as an R, then the computer will open the file and allow you to read it, but you would not be able to write any data onto it. So I've done my open and I've equated it to a variable file name. And now I just do a simple iterate as you've done a normal for loop before. For line in my file, print line. So for every line in the CSV file, it will go the first line and then it will print it, and then it will look at the second line and print it, and then it will look at the third line and print it, iterating over all the records or all the lines that are separate lines in my CSV file, print them one by one. And then of course I've got to again close the file. So it's very important to remember that you must always close the file in order to make sure that you don't lose the data in it. And that's all.